sis. A few months ago, we toured some incredible she sheds, but these are next level. Today, we're featuring three sisters who slayed extreme she sheds. Michelle celebrated her 50th birthday by creating a charming storybook cottage retreat. Atra transformed her she shed into a thriving custom design studio. And Cecil, baby, she created one of the most extreme sorority themed she sheds I've ever seen. I'll also share 3 of my favorite Facebook communities where you can connect with fellow she shed lovers, swap ideas, and find inspiration every single day. And if today's video inspires you to build one of your own, check out the description box for my ultimate she shed starter kit. And with that, let's get started. First up is Michelle. And sis, this isn't just a she shed. It's an entire storybook cottage retreat. The inviting front porch, the white rocking chairs, the flower-filled planters, the charming windows, the soaring ceilings, the sparkling chandelier, the oversized vintage clock, the floral sofa, and all of the cozy cottage decor that makes this feel like the perfect place to escape. Baby, this doesn't even feel like a shed. It feels like a bed and breakfast tucked into someone's backyard. And what makes this space stand out is the story behind it. Michelle built this she shed as a gift to herself for her 50th birthday. As a single mom, she wanted a place to read, relax, sip coffee, enjoy a glass of wine, and spend time with family and girlfriends. She also reminds us that beautiful doesn't have to mean expensive. She worked with Ulrich Barn Builders to build the shed she wanted, then filled it over time with beautiful pieces that she'd been collecting for years. Michelle's storybook cottage is definitely a slay. Next up is Atra. And sis, this isn't just a she shed. It's a thriving custom design studio. The bold purple accent walls, the black and gray cabinetry, the dedicated workstations, the Cricut machines, the heat presses, the printers, the rows of colorful vinyl. Baby, this space is designed to create. Everything has a place, everything has a purpose, and every square inch is working. And what makes this shed stand out is that it all started with love. Atra simply wanted to create something special for her grandchildren. She designed a pair of custom shoes and a matching jacket, shared them online, and before long, people started asking for custom orders. Today, Addie B's creates everything from custom apparel and shoes to graduation stoles and more. I also love the story behind the name. Addie B's honors both her grandmother, Hattie B, and Atra herself, whose nickname is Addie. Her husband even built nearly everything you see, transforming her vision into the perfect place to create. And that is what takes this from a craft room to an extreme custom design studio. Atra's Addie B's is a slay. If you haven't already, subscribe, y'all. We're on a mission to get 10,000 sisters strong over the next 6 months. So join our sisterhood and get the decor that counts. Our final extreme she shed belongs to Cecil. Now sis, this is what happens when somebody commits all the way to a theme. The royal blue and white color palette, the custom artwork, the Greek letters, the sorority memorabilia, the coordinated furniture, the personalized accessories and meaningful keepsakes transform this entire she shed into a love letter for Zeta Phi Beta. Nothing was added just to fill the room, but every piece has meaning. Every detail celebrates the sisterhood. Baby, this doesn't feel like a decorated shed. It feels like you're walking into a Zeta experience. And that is what takes this from a themed room to one of the most extreme sorority-themed she sheds I've ever seen. And that's why Cecil's Zeta she shed is a slay. Now sis, if today's videos got you thinking, I need a she shed in my life, well, let me point you in the right direction. I've been a member of the Facebook group She Shed since May of 2022, and with nearly 170,000 members, it's one of my favorite places to find decorating ideas, builder recommendations, and inspiration from women who are creating amazing backyard spaces. I'd also recommend joining another group called She Sheds. It's one of the largest Facebook communities with more than 215,000 members. Whether you're dreaming, planning, or decorating, you'll find plenty of ideas here. And one more group worth checking out is She Shed Decor Ideas. It's packed with decorating inspiration once you're ready to create a space of your own. And don't forget to check out the description box for my ultimate she shed starter kit. It'll help take you from dreaming about a she shed to planning one of your own. All right, so which of these ladies was your favorite? Well, put your response down in the comments. Before we close, I'd like to leave you with your soft life moment. Sis, did you notice something? Not one of these women waited for someone else to create their happy place. They built it themselves. Whether it's a space for peace, creativity, or simply a place that felt like their own, each woman decided that she was worth the effort. And maybe that's today's reminder. Stop waiting for permission to create a life that feels good to you. Quick temperature check. I just want to make sure you're good. If this is your kind of conversation, I want to invite you to a deeper connection by joining the Redo Room right here on YouTube. This is Black decor with intention and meaning. To join, just click the join button next to subscribe on this video. If you're watching on your phone, tap join right under the video title. Everything happens right here on YouTube. Thanks for hanging out with me today, family. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss the next soulful, inspirational moment right here on Mommy Room Redo.